Got a small account with about 2,400 bucks and you want to learn how to sell cash secured puts on SoFi? I got you in today's video. Yo, what is going on, Premium Chasers? I hope you're having a God-blessed day today. Every single person that comments down below is going to get a very special ebook, the $30 Wheel List, which has a ton of wheel strategy stocks, all under $30 that I personally love. Drop a comment down below for you, and I will personally respond to you with it. And while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe button. But guys, today we're going into SoFi because we are seeing a little bit of a pullback on SoFi, and I see a lot of people be like, hey, is this a dip? Is this a buying opportunity? Either way, I'm going to show you why I like selling cash secured puts on stocks, especially like SoFi, to kind of dollar cost average. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Most retail investors, they see a little dip on SoFi like this, and what they say is like, you know what? I'm going to go buy 100 shares for, $24.47. Fantastic. They'll dump their $2,447 into, Robonhood and buy 100 shares of SoFi, and they'll spend $2,447. That's crazy talk. Let me show you the better way to buy stocks at a better price and get paid a premium up front. Listen, you're going to love this so much. You're going to be sharing it with your friends, your family, and this is exactly why I started this YouTube channel. I'm just going to be using Robonhood for this example, but I do like to use Fidelity and Moomoo as well. The brokerage doesn't necessarily matter. All that matters is that you understand the strategy. The interface is going to change. Robinhood, though, if you're like a total newbie and a total beginner, really kind of help. It's graphically appealing. All right, I'm not even going to lie to you about it. There's a lot I don't like a lot about Robinhood, but one of the best things about it, it's very easy to use for beginners, and especially with options, it can be a little complicated. And you know what? Maybe we'll show how to use it, do it on Fidelity here in a couple minutes. So let's, for example, say we have $2,400 in our account, and we're like, you know what? Let's get this money working. All right, let's put this money to work, right? So I'm just going to go to the options chain, and I'm going to click sell a put. Now, I'm going to select a date here, and I'm going to say October 3rd, right? And that says 29 days. That's 29 days away from the time we're recording this. All I'm saying here, folks, is I'm willing to buy 100 shares of SoFi on October 3rd. Now, what am I willing to buy it for? Well, guess what? We get to name our price on what we'd be willing to buy 100 shares of SoFi at close on October 3rd. We could say $24.50. We could say $24. We could say $23.50. Obviously, we want to be under what the current market value is, unless there's some other strategy that you're running. We could say 22, we could say 22.50. Now, what is the ideal price that we should be buying stocks at? Well, number one, listen, guys, I'm a random dude on YouTube. Nothing I talk about here is financial advice. But for me, what I like to do is I like to mix not actually having to buy the stocks and just walking away with the premium with occasionally having to buy the stocks. Because listen, if you're doing this strategy, you should be doing this on stocks you don't mind actually buying, because eventually you will have to buy them. And I'll talk about that here in a second. So for example, let's open up these 2350s, right? So you can see our delta here is at 0.35. That basically says there's about a 35% chance, right, at close on October 3rd that I will be assigned and have to buy my shares of SoFi at 23.50. Is that risky? Is that not risky? I don't know. You got to make that decision for yourself. But let's say I go down to the 20s, right? The 20s, it's a 0.10. That means there's a 10% chance, right, or a 90% chance that nothing happens. I will not actually end up having to buy my shares. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say these 20s, right? These 20s. Let's say the third rolls around and SoFi's trading at still $24 or anything above 20. It's trading at $21. Again, anything above the contract of 20 that if we purchase. That means that you will not have to buy your 100 shares of stock, right? You will not have to buy 100 shares of SoFi. Like, you're just not, right? But, right, number two, you'll walk away with simply that premium. The bigger risk, though, is this. So let's say the third rolls around and SoFi's trading at like $19 or $18. You are on the hook to buy it at $20. Now, how do we gauge what a stock's going to do? How do we know what a stock's going to do? Well, I'm going to be the first one to tell you guys. If you're going on YouTube trying to find people to tell you what the stock market's going to be doing, you already lost. Because guess what? If they were that good at predicting stocks, they wouldn't be on YouTube. All right? They wouldn't be on YouTube. All right? They would be Bradley Cooper and Limitless. All right? So, but jokes aside, the delta allows us to kind of gauge the probability of assignment. Okay. Again, it's not, nobody knows what a stock is going to do. But what I like about this strategy, guys, is like either way, I kind of win. Me personally, disclaimer, no idea what I'm talking about. You're going to lose money if you listen to me. I kind of like to look at this like I like SoFi. It's trading at $24.50 now. It's just had a little bit of a dip. If I can own it at 20, I'm happy owning it at 20 in a month from now. Okay, maybe I'll take that trade. Right? So let's kind of walk through what this all looks like, right? So the first thing we collect is something called a premium, right? So if I click this little plus button, and click continue here, and I do a single contract, right? Every contract is equal to 100 shares, right? It's very nice that, even Robonhood tells you that. That's the rule, right? That is the rule, guys. So if I do 2, that means I collect more premium, but that is 200 shares I may have to buy. That means you're going to have to lock up more collateral. In this specific scenario, right, we're collecting, let's just say $22 of premium. This is credit. You can see it says credit, right? $22. We're being given that from an options buyer. Hit the juice button. You already know. We're getting $22 from the options buyer. Now, I like to always toss everything into my cash secured put calculator. These are free in our Facebook group. Join us, introduce yourself. Don't be a troll. All right. I know the urge is strong, but for jokes aside, the first link in the description, you can join our Facebook group. All these calculators are in there. Okay. And introduce yourself. It's a really good time, especially if you have questions, post them up. But you can see we collect $22. Now we are locking up not $2,400, as the thumbnail says of this video. We're locking up $2,000. We're locking up $2,000. Why $2,000? Well, because we're doing a $20 contract. 20 times 100, folks. We already know what it is. $2,000. We're locking up $2,000 of collateral for a return of 1.1%. I always like to put my full expiration here is just under 30 days, so 29 days for annualized at 13.84. Obviously, that is you're not always going to be being able to do this trade every single month. These premium numbers are constantly changing. I use this annual return to decide whether to close out early or not. More on that in other videos, or check the links in the description of this video. Okay. But with that said, right, I'm locking up $2,000. I'm collecting $22 upfront today. And that, right, 22 divided by 2,000 gives us that 1.10% return. This is where you're going to have to figure out how aggressive you want to be, right? This is a 0.10 delta contract, right? The chances of this happening is really unlikely. So for me, I like to be a little bit higher. And I might even be even more aggressive on stocks that I really actually want to own, right? Like, for example, let's say I really even like SoFi at like 24. I might go like 23, or I might even do 24 here. Now, obviously, my premium is way more, right? I'm getting $125 of premium on this, right? For the 24s, right? But let's go toss that in, see what that does, right? Or what did we say? We're getting at the time of recording this, $125 of premium, and we're locking up $2,400, right? That's ridiculous. Look at this return. That is a lot. That is a massive premium return. That's a massive ROI collateral return. Now, you need to understand this, guys. There is risks in this. There's no such thing as free premium. I cannot stress this enough. There's no such thing as free premium. You are taking on risk. We are essentially selling insurance when we are selling options. So when you are seeing these inflated return numbers, understand that you are taking on more risk. Now, what is that risk? Well, the risk is that you're going to have to buy 100 shares of SoFi at 24. If it crashes to 20, 18, 19, 10, 0, right? $1, you're buying your shares at $24. Right? That is the biggest risk of what I'm sharing with you right now. So you got to make sure that you're doing this on companies that you believe in long term. And most importantly, you're comfortable owning those 100 shares at $24. Now, you can see this is a 40 delta. This is, 40% chance of happening, 60% chance of not. You got to make those judgments for yourself, okay? And again, if you want that calculator, join us. It's free in the Facebook group. Now, I want to quickly speak on if you are somebody that really wants to get into a stock, right? What I personally like to do is I do a weekly, right? So I'll go out 7 days. So I'm out 29 days right here. I'll go 8 days out, right? And I'll look at what can I get? Let's say I really want to own it at 24, right? I see that it dipped a bit, and I want to own it at 24. I'll open up this 24 contract. You can see my delta here is 37. Now my time has collapsed, right? Time is an option seller's best friend, so I'm collapsing that time, right? So, but I'm getting a lot less premium, right? I'm getting $59 of premium, right? So let's go over back to our cash secured put calculator. I'm collecting what, 59? I said 59, $59 of premium, and I'm locking up again $2,400, a 2.46% return, right? Obviously, results vary. This is just what I'm seeing on my screen at the time of recording this. That's the premium divided by the collateral. Look how much less time now, though, guys. This is only 8 days. This is September 12th, right? This is me saying on the 12th, All right, that's in 8 days, right? Now, 8 days isn't a lot of time. A lot can happen. It's the SoFi's trading at 24.54. The chances of it being at 24 are a lot higher, right? And I'm getting this in what? 8 days, right? 8 days time to make 2.46% on your money. You got to weigh those risks for yourself because this is a more riskier play. But at the end of the day, if it's a stock you like, it's a stock you actually want to own at the current market value, in my opinion, I'd rather do something like this than just go. Why would I go out there and buy 100 shares of SoFi at 24.55 when I could buy it in 8 days from now and collect some additional premium as well, which I can factor into my cost basis? Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and follow. Remember, join our free Facebook group. All these calculators will be in there as well. And also, if you want to learn about the Ark Options Strategy, which is the over-engineered version of the wheel strategy, click the first link in the description of today's video. Not only will you learn about the Ark Options Strategy, I'm going to give you my full live premium tracker just for learning about what we offer here at Options Seller School with our mastermind and mentorship program, which is an incredible, very tight-knit community of non-toxic people sharing their trade ideas, literally nothing held back. So if you're non-toxic, you are a financially stable individual, click that first link in the description of today's video. Guys, remember, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.